Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the stain guide on the SmartThings application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the live button down below, scroll down to clothing care. Wait a few seconds till it loads and then you should scroll down to the bottom of the page. So scroll down until you find the stain guide section, tap on it, and here you have a stain guide including all of the stains such as makeup, curry, tomato juice, chocolate, tea and coffee, kimchi, baby food, mud, and so on. And here you have a guide how to remove these stains from your pieces of clothing. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.